As you can see, you can earn 50 cents in just 10 minutes. Spend only 5 minutes watching this video and learn a method that can earn you up to $72 per day. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Cent Money YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn money by creating Gmail accounts using a new Telegram bot. Don't skip this video because if you make a mistake while creating a Gmail account, you may lose the opportunity to use this amazing earning method. Let's get started. Today's Telegram bot is called Gmail Farmer Bot. You'll find the bot link in the pinned comment. The bot has 4 main sections: create new Gmail, your created Gmail accounts, your total balance, and the referral program. Now let's learn how to create a Gmail account correctly. The bot automatically provides all the required information, including the first name, Gmail username, password, and birth year. After that, we can start creating the Gmail account. Follow the remaining steps exactly as shown in the video, otherwise the bot may not pay you. When you reach the first name section, enter the name provided by the bot. When selecting the birth year, also use the information provided by the bot. You can choose any random month and day. In the next step, enter the Gmail address generated by the bot. Then copy the password from the bot and paste it into the password field. Now that the Gmail account has been created, return to the bot. Tap the Done button, then tap the button to enable two-step verification. Confirm it by tapping again. Next, open the settings of the Gmail account you just created. When enabling two-step verification, choose the option labeled Authenticator. Once the QR code appears, take a screenshot of it and return to the Telegram bot. Send the screenshot to the bot and it will generate a verification code for you. Copy the code and go back to the Google settings. Paste the code into the verification field and tap the Verify button. After that, go back, open the menu again, and tap the button to enable two-step verification once more. Now pay close attention because this is where most people make mistakes. Open the search bar in the settings and search for App. Then open the App Passwords section, enter any random app name and generate an app password. Copy the app password generated by Google, return to the bot, and send it there. Boom! Your 23-cent reward has now been submitted for verification and will be reviewed by the administrators before being added to your main balance. However, there is one more important step. you must remove the Gmail account you created from your phone. To do this, open your phone settings and search for Accounts. Open it, select Google, tap the Gmail account you created and then tap Remove Account. That's it. Now let me show you my payment proof. As you can see in the transaction history, I successfully withdrew my earnings using Litecoin cryptocurrency. Now I'll open Binance to prove it. As you can see, I received 0.00989 Litecoin in my Binance wallet. In conclusion, this bot is an excellent way to earn money. You can earn 23 cents in just 5 minutes, which means you can earn up to $72 per day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.